Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by left clicking on the Insert tab at the top one time. And now over on the far right side you want to go underneath Audio and left click on the little arrow underneath to expand it. Now you have two options. Either you can insert a previously recorded audio file, or you can actually record audio as well. I already have an audio file saved on my desktop, so I'm going to select the audio on my PC. And now I'm going to just navigate to where it is. So I'm going to left click on desktop, and my file is right here. So I'm going to double click on it. And there you go, guys. Once it's in, you can actually drag it around if you wanted to put it on a certain spot on the slide. So once you're actually done placing it on a spot that you like, I'm going to show you guys another couple things I'd recommend doing. The first thing would be to head over and left click on the playback tab up at the top. And then you want it to set start. If you just click the drop down, if you want to set it automatically, so when you go to the slide it'll start playing the audio. And then if you save it, it should automatically begin playing once you access that slide. Another thing you can also do would be to navigate over to the Animations tab and go ahead and left click on the option underneath Animation Pane. And now you see our audio file over here on the right. And if you click on the drop down arrow, you can start when you click the file. And you can also start after the previous file as well, so if you have different things playing you could order them through that. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.